Today I'm going to show you how to quickly troubleshoot an LED TV with a picture but no sound. Coming up, roll the intro. Hey name tags and welcome. This is Ash from HealMyTech, helping you go from newbie to techie. So this is going to be a very quick video, troubleshoot only. So this client has got this LG TV. It's a 42-inch TV model 42LG LN540V. So he tells me he has sound but no picture. So if it's an LED TV, this is what I want you to do as a troubleshoot. Bring a source light very close to the screen, turn the TV on. You can also try to put on a video source if you want, but if you don't have one, just turning it on standby should do. Now if you turn it on and with a source light close to the TV, you can see a faint logo. In this case, like you can see LG. That means the backlight LED is damaged and needs to be replaced. If that's the only problem, if it's an LED TV, I'm telling you, it's not even worth considering trying to send it for repair. Now, if you're under warranty, if you send it back to the manufacturer, they will just replace the TV. They will not even attempt to try and repair it. If you send it to a private person, it's going to cost you so much money, it's not even worth considering. You might as well just buy another TV. So I'm going to refer you to this discussion I've had with Alvin, a good friend of mine, and he talks about how manufacturer of TVs are overdriving LEDs by putting 5 volts on a 3.7 volt LED module. So go and watch that video. It's quite lengthy, but it's really informative. And if that's your problem for the LED TV, then just buy a new one, and in the future make sure you pick the right one. You could also try and repair it yourself if you've got the skills. And if I found the video, I will put it down in the link. So if you want to have a go, you need to have very good skills, and you need to get the right LED, strips and all the equipment. But I would not advise it for anyone with amateur skills. This needs to be done professionally because it's very tricky. So all in all, if that's your problem, picture, no sound, bring source light, and you can see a faint logo, your LED TV is gone. Just get yourself another one. So hopefully this will have helped you to diagnose your problem. If there are other issues, there are other ways to diagnose, but that's not our problem today. So once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. This was Ash from HealMyTech, helping you go from newbie to techie. Until next time, peace out.